Hi guys, welcome to another interesting and exciting video on my channel. Today I'll be sharing with you the top 10 richest Igbo men in Nigeria in 2023. The Igbos are regarded as one of the richest and the most industrious tribe in Africa. After the Nigerian Biafra Civil War, which left them with nothing, but they have managed through their highly intellectual business mindset and creativity. They have risen to the occasion. So today I will be revealing the top 10 richest Igbo men in Nigeria, their biography, net worth, cars, mansions and many more. So if you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe, like and share. You can also click on the notification bell icon so you can be notified whenever we drop new videos. And remember, we only drop interesting, educating and exciting content. You can also follow us on Instagram at Official Cheesy Media. Without any further delay, let's get right into the video. Number 10 on the list today is nobody but Ifeanyi Ezenna. He was born on the 21st April 1957. He is a businessman, philanthropist, and the founder of Orange Drug Nigeria Limited, which is one of the leading pharmaceuticals production companies in Nigeria. Some of their products are Passion Energy Drink, Bosca, Canon, Surdress, and many more. They also produce soap, cosmetics. Delta Soap is one of their products. Mr. Ezenna hails from Akokwa in the Delta South local government area of Imo State, Nigeria. He started up as a chemist in his father's shop for 13 years where he worked for his father. Due to his highly business intellectual and creativity, he has turned the family business into a conglomerate and a multi-million-dollar company. Today, Mr. Ezenna has an estimated net worth of $430 million. Ovia is a Nigerian businessman and a native of Abo in Delta State, Nigeria. He is the founder of Ezenna Bank Africa and Visa Food. Ovia was born on the 4th November 1951. He holds a master's degree in business administration from the University of Louisiana Monroe in USA in 1979. Mr. Ovia is a founder and a major shareholder in Ezenna Bank Africa and also the founder of Visa Food, which he later sold to MTN in 2015 in a multi-million-dollar deal. Today, Mr. Ovia is one of the richest Igbo men in Nigeria with an estimated net worth of $980 million. Number 8 on the list today is nobody but Uzor Kalu. He's a Nigerian politician and a businessman. He was born on the 21st April 1960. He's a native of Abia State, Nigeria. A lot of people know Mr. Uzor Kalu as just a politician, but they fail to realize that he's not just a politician. He's a successful oil magnate, a businessman, and an entrepreneur. He is the chairman of Slug Holdings, which deals in oil and gas, marine transportation services involving offshore support and deep sea transportation. It is the biggest Nigerian company that single-handedly owns, operates, and manages its own fleet. He is also the chairman of the Daily Sun newspaper, the Telegraph newspaper. He is currently a senator and a two-time governor of Abia State from 1999 to 2007. Also a one-time member of House of Representatives in 1991. Today, Mr. Uzor Kalu has an estimated net worth of $1 billion. Pascal Gabriel Dozie was born on the 9th April 1939 in Owerri, Imo State, Nigeria. He is the founder of Diamond Bank Nigeria Limited before it was merged with Access Bank. He was the CEO of Diamond Bank from 1991 to 2006 when he handed over to his son. Pascal Dozie was the chairman board of directors MTN Nigeria Limited. He is also a major shareholder in MTN Group and also in Access Bank Nigeria. Pascal Dozie has an estimated net worth of $1.2 billion. Ifeanyi Ubah, he was born on the 3rd September 1971. He's a Nigerian oil magnate, entrepreneur, businessman, and currently the senator representing Anambra South Senatorial District. Ifeanyi Ubah is the CEO of Capital Oil. Before he went to the oil and gas business, he was once an importer and exporter of motor tires and spare parts, majorly in West Africa, before expanding his business into some European countries, including Germany, Belgium, and United Kingdom. But after an advice from his mentor, Mr. Ibeto Cletus, he decided to venture into the oil and gas business. In 2001, he founded the Capital Oil. He is also the founder of the Authority newspaper and also the owner of Ifeanyi Ubah Football Club in the Nigerian Premier League. Today, Ifeanyi Ubah has an estimated net worth of $1.2 billion.
Like Tony, grind for Elumelu money. Yeah. I just want soft like Tony. I just want to live my life.
Elumelu is a successful Nigerian businessman, entrepreneur, and a finance expert. He hails from Onitsha in Delta State, Nigeria. He has a bachelor's degree in economics from Ambrose Ali University and also a master's degree in science from the University of Lagos. Tony Elumelu is an entrepreneur and a philanthropist. He is the chairman of Health Holding, Transcorp, and United Bank of Africa (UBA Bank). Tony Elumelu started up his career as a Youth Corp member in Union Bank before acquiring the Standard Trust Bank through a merger and a business proposal in 2005. Today, Tony Elumelu has an estimated net worth of $1.4 million. Innocent Chukwuma is an Anambra State billionaire who hails from Nnewi. He is the chairman and founder of Innocent Group of Companies and also the owner of Innocent Motors, the first Nigerian indigenous motor brand. Mr. Innocent Chukwuma started up assembling motorcycles in Nnewi, and today the Innocent Group has become one of the leading business empires in Nigeria with his cars. He is also one of the biggest plastic manufacturers in Africa. Innocent has an estimated net worth of $1.5 billion. Mr. Cletus Ibeto was born on the 6th November 1955. He is the head of Ibeto Group, one of the largest business enterprises from Nnewi. Ibeto was one of the highest importers of spare parts and lead batteries in 1988. When he completed his factory in Nnewi, he stopped direct importation of battery and started production. His company has become one of the largest auto spare parts manufacturing outfits in Nigeria. Cletus Ibeto did not just stop in automobile spare parts production, he expanded his business. Here are some of his companies: Union Auto Parts Manufacturing Limited, Ibeto Petrochemical Limited, Ibeto Cement Company Limited, Eastern Boxem Limited, King's Palace Hotels Limited, Ibeto Energy Development Limited. Today, Ibeto has an estimated net worth of $1.7 billion. Sir Emeka Offor, he was born on the 10th February 1957 to Mr. and Mrs. Bennett Okafor in Kafanchan in Kaduna, Nigeria, but he hails from Orifite in Anambra State, Nigeria. Sir Emeka Offor is the founder and chairman of the Chrome Group. It was established in 1994 in Abuja, Nigeria. The company has one of the highest employment in Nigeria, with its interest in oil and gas, power, logistics, insurance, broadcasting, and telecommunication. Some of its companies under the Chrome Group are Castec Engineering Limited, Enugu Electricity Distribution Company, which is also known as EEDC, the #1 electricity distribution company in the entire Southeast, Nimek Investment Limited, it deals in real estate and many more, FM, Blaze FM, and other subsidiary partnership and business. Mr. Emeka Offor has an estimated net worth of $1.8 billion. Number one on the list today, and also the richest Igbo man, is nobody but Prince Ezenna. He is the CEO of Atlas Oranto. He was born on the 27th November 1947 in Ukpo in Anambra State, Nigeria. Ezenna has a degree in mechanical and chemical engineering from California State University in 1991. Atlas Oranto is the largest privately held company that specializes in oil production and exploration, not just in Nigeria alone, but also in 12 African companies. He is the founder of Thrice Airlines in 1992, which operated from Enugu International Airport. He owns 5 Rolls-Royce and other exotic cars. He owns 3 private jets. He owns a Bombardier, a Falcon plane which he bought in 2015 for $35 million, and also a latest Bombardier which he bought for a total sum of $45 million. Prince Arthur Ezenna has an estimated net worth of $5.8 billion. Hey guys, thanks for watching. Drop a comment below what you think about it, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you and God bless you.